For people who are short on time for an extensive hair care regime, Satnik 2-in-1 Shampoo and Conditioner cleanses and conditions in one easy step. It helps keep your hair healthy and beautiful and is suitable for all hair types. Let us see how. Step 1. Cleanse. Satnik 2-in-1 Shampoo and Conditioner gently cleanses and conditions hair with each use. Use Satnik 2-in-1 Shampoo and Conditioner to clean the hair and scalp of all the surface dirt and dust. Wet your hair first. It's important that the hair is wet as it makes the shampooing easy. Use lukewarm or cold water. Put a small amount of shampoo onto the palm of your hand. The amount of shampoo may vary according to the hair length and texture. A good estimate would be the size of a 5 rupee coin. Massage the shampoo into the scalp with your fingertips and not nails. Massaging helps stimulate the blood flow to the scalp, encouraging healthy hair and scalp. It also removes dirt. Concentrate on top of the head. If your hair is longer, don't pile it up on your head. Instead, comb through it with your fingers to reduce tangles. Finally, rinse thoroughly your hair and scalp with cool water. It is important to ensure that no shampoo residue is left behind, as this can dry the scalp and create flaky, itchy scalp. Step 2. Condition. Satnik 2-in-1 Shampoo and Conditioner gently cleanses as well as conditions hair in one single step. Hence, you do not need to use a conditioner separately after washing your hair with the Satnik 2-in-1 Shampoo and Conditioner. Step 3. Scalp health. Hair follicle is the living part of the hair. It is very important to nourish the hair follicle to get healthy hair. The third and an important step in the hair care regime is taking care of the scalp. Satnik Scalp Tonic nourishes the scalp and helps promote the growth of thicker, fuller looking hair. It has scalp revitalizing complex and a blend of natural plant extracts that helps relieve dry, itchy scalp and increase moisture to the scalp. Satnik Scalp Tonic should be applied to clean, dry or wet scalp. For best results, apply twice daily. The benefits of the Scalp Tonic are intensified when combined with this massaging technique. Together, they help stimulate circulation and helps promote hair growth. For best results, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Apply Scalp Tonic in 3 sections from the temple to the base of your neck. 1 row on each side and 1 in the middle. Step 2. Gently massage in a circular motion using your fingertips. Begin at the sides of your head starting at your hairline near the temples. Then move your hands back to the area above the ears. Massage each area for 5 to 10 seconds. Step 3. Continue massaging towards the back of your head, going from behind the ears to the base of your neck. Step 4. Move your fingertips to the front of your head. Continue massage starting at your hairline and walk towards the top of your head. Step 5. Finally, move to the crown to complete the massaging technique. Scalp Tonic has been shown to significantly increase hair diameter after 12 weeks of use. Step 4. Style. Your hair is now ready for styling. Take a generous quantity of styling gel and apply to damp hair. Style effortlessly to create the look that you desire. Go ahead and flaunt your style. This Satnik regime is a quick and easy way to maintain healthy and beautiful looking hair.